So welcome back to my Python lecture series. Today, we will be learning all about comparison operators and logical operators. So what is a comparison operator? So para din sa math, pag sinabi mong nagko-compare ka, sinasabi mo kung yung isang number ba ay greater than or less than or greater than equal to or less than or equal to or equal to sa isang other number. Tama? And ganun din tayo sa programming. So, meron tayong mga basic na comparison operators, which is sinabi ko na nga na less than or equal to, greater than equal to, equals operator, and not equals. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, nauuna lagi yung less than or yung greater than bago yung equal. Kung paano mo sinabi sa word. So, less than or equal. So, nauna yung less, then than or equal. So, greater than or equal. Okay, so, mauuna lagi yung less than or equal bago dun sa equal sign. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, yung equal sign natin ay dalawang equals. So, bakit? Kasi, kung maaalala nyo, pag nag-assign tayo ng value sa isang variable, ginagamit natin na, for example, a equals 6. Tama? Meaning neto, ina-assign mo yung value na 6 sa a. Pero, kapag ginamitan natin ng double equals, sinasabi niya is, equal nga ba talaga siya dun sa isang value na yon? Hindi niya ina-assign yung value na yon dun sa variable na yon. Okay? And not equals is ginagamit natin is yung exclamation mark. So, exclamation mark equals says na not equal. Okay? So, let's do some examples. So, let's try to print is 6 greater than 7. If we run this code and sasabihin siya natin false, of course, kasi 6 is less than 7. Okay? And if we try it the other way around naman na print 6 is less than 7, and of course sasabihin sa atin is true. Then if we try to use the greater than or equal to is kunyari 6 less than equal to 6, edi if we run the code, of course true kasi may equal sign. Okay? And yung pinaka ginagamit natin is yung equal sign. So, if 6 is equal to 6, of course, that will return true. Kasi equal naman yung 6 sa 6. Okay? Then, yung not equals is flip lang niya kung ano yung sagot sa equals. Okay? So, if we say not equal, then sasabihin niya sa atin na false kasi 6 is equal to 6 talaga. Then, next topic natin is logical operators. So, kung nag-take kayo ng mga basic na philosophy classes, ito yung isa sa mga pinakaunang dinidiscuss. Actually, logical operators. So, ang logical operators natin sa Python ay dalawa. So, yun yung and or operators. So, yung and operator ay true kapag both conditions are true or lahat ng conditions ay true. While yung OR operator, nagiging true siya kahit isa lang sa mga conditions yung true. Okay? So, let's do some examples. So, if we print, let's say, gusto natin na is 6 greater than 7 and 7 less than 9. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, ito ay false, tama? Ito ay true. Pero kapag print natin yan, ang lalabas pa rin ay false. Kasi yung isang condition ay false. Pero kapag pinalitan natin ito ng OR, and we run the code again, sasabihin niya sa atin na true. Kasi true to, and kahit false to, okay lang kasi may isang condition na true. So, today we have learned comparison operators. So, greater than equal to, less than or equal to, equals and not equal to. And we have also learned logical operators, the and or logical operators, and nalaman natin na kapag ka and yung ginamit natin, kailangan lahat ng conditions ay true. While kapag or yung ginamit natin, kailangan lang isa sa mga conditions ay true para mag-result in a true. Okay, so I hope to see you again next time.